Have you ever wondered what foods you should eat during your period to feel your best, reduce cramps, and stay energized? If you've ever dealt with painful cramps, bloating, mood swings, or fatigue during your period, you know how frustrating it can be to go about your daily routine when your body feels completely out of balance. In our previous video, we talked about all the foods you should avoid during your period, things like processed snacks, excessive caffeine, salty foods, and sugary treats that can make your symptoms worse. But today, let's focus on what you should eat to help you feel better, reduce discomfort, and support your body through your cycle. The right foods can actually make a huge difference in how you feel. So let's dive into the best foods to eat during your period and why they are so beneficial. One of the biggest issues many people face during their period is fatigue. This happens because your body is losing blood, which means your iron levels drop. Low iron can lead to tiredness, dizziness, and even headaches. That's why it's so important to include iron-rich foods in your diet during your period. Foods like spinach, lentils, red meat, tofu, quinoa, and apples are great sources of iron and can help replenish your body's supply, keeping you more energized throughout the day. Pairing these with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, bell peppers, or strawberries can help your body absorb iron more effectively. Another common issue during your period is cramping. Menstrual cramps occur because your body produces prostaglandins, which trigger muscle contractions in the uterus. To help relax your muscles and ease this pain, you'll want to include magnesium-rich foods in your diet. Magnesium is a natural muscle relaxant, and it can make a big difference when it comes to managing cramps. Some great magnesium-rich foods include bananas, dark chocolate, avocados, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. Dark chocolate, in particular, is a favorite for many because not only does it contain magnesium, but it also helps boost your mood by increasing serotonin levels in your brain. Speaking of mood, we all know that hormonal changes during our period can sometimes make us feel a little off. Mood swings, irritability, and anxiety can all be linked to fluctuations in estrogen and progesterone levels. The good news is that certain foods can help stabilize your mood and make you feel more balanced. Healthy fats, like those found in salmon, chia seeds, walnuts, and flax seeds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve mood. Omega-3s are also known for their ability to reduce period pain, making them a fantastic addition to your diet. Bloating is another uncomfortable symptom that many people experience during their period. It can make you feel sluggish and uncomfortable, and sometimes it feels like nothing helps. One way to combat bloating is by staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential, but you can also eat water-rich fruits and vegetables to keep your hydration levels up. Watermelon, cucumbers, oranges, celery, and strawberries are all excellent choices. These foods help flush out excess sodium and reduce water retention, making you feel lighter and less bloated. Herbal teas like ginger, chamomile, and peppermint can also work wonders by soothing the digestive system and reducing bloating. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. If you've ever felt extra hungry during your period, you're not alone. Your body actually burns more calories during this time, which is why you might crave more food than usual. The key is to fuel your body with the right nutrients rather than reaching for processed or sugary snacks. Instead of eating refined carbs that can cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, go for complex carbohydrates and fiber-rich foods. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa provide a steady release of energy, keeping you full and preventing cravings. Fiber is also great for digestion, helping to prevent constipation, which some people experience during their period. Comforting, warm foods can also have a soothing effect on your body. Warm meals like soups, stews, and herbal teas not only help with digestion, but can also be incredibly comforting when you're dealing with cramps. Ginger tea, in particular, has anti-inflammatory properties that can help relieve pain, while chamomile tea has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Including warm, nourishing meals in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel overall. By making small changes to your diet and incorporating these nutrient-rich foods, You can significantly reduce period symptoms and feel much better throughout your cycle. Paying attention to what you eat can help lessen cramps, boost your energy levels, reduce bloating, and stabilize your mood. Instead of reaching for processed snacks or caffeine, try focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support your body's natural processes. Now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite go-to comfort food during your period? Do you have any special remedies that help with cramps or bloating? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.